What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Amazon Music on your PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to search bar, and here we're going to search for Microsoft Store. Like so, then we want to open it. Now what we want to do, you can either go to Entertainment tab and search for Amazon Music, or you can search it on the search bar, and we're going to search it here. Like so, then as you can see it appear right here, so we're going to click on it. And then to start the installing process, all you have to do is to click on get. Now we have to wait till it's installing. And as you can see, Amazon Music is now available to us to open. So we're going to open it. Then what you need to do is to log in on your account or to create an Amazon account so you can continue to the app. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.